Define ductility. Ductility is the ability of a structure to undergo distortion after its initial yield, without any significant reduction in ultimate strength. It was used only for characterizing the material behavior. Ductility types are widely used in literature. Material ductility, which characterizes the material plastic deformations for different loading type. Cross-section refers to the plastic deformations of cross-section, the interaction between the parts composing the cross-section. Member ductility, when the properties of members are considered. Structure ductility considers the overall behavior of the structure. Energy ductility is considered at the level of dissipated seismic energy. When the input energy is greater than the damping, the difference is balanced by hysteretic energy, which implies the ductility of the structure. It is better to make beams to be the weak links than the columns in ductility. This method of designing RC building is called the strong column. The related terms are